Okay, anything I could say at this point would be superfluous in many ways. I think that given the discussion that this group had and what we just heard from the Assistant Secretary, I think a lot of the discussion here is already in the grist mill, but what we heard here and some of the specifics that you have to offer, I think will add some energy and some direction to some of the things that Bob just described to you that the agency already has underway. As he noted, the solution doesn't reside in the government, it resides collectively among us. And to the degree that we continue to work and put the pressure on people like poor Laura here to make sure that those schemas that bring us to the table together are managed well and open the doors. If we need to create a better space for sharing data, we find a way to do that in that context, et cetera. But it's going to take all of us to see some of these changes really move down the road and to relieve the pressure that we feel on a day-to-day basis, and it will make us more resilient for when we have to deal with events, catastrophic and disastrous. And with that, again, I have to thank the Planning Committee for bringing this all together. They identified the sequence of points to be discussed. They identified the potential speakers that you all, many of you here, were here because we identified you as the right people. I think I have to thank the staff again for making sure that the logistics and so on were taken care of. Yes, I will be happy to not see 25 emails a day from Claire. Yes, I'll be happy to not be doing the calls 2 or 3 times a week that we needed to do to make sure that we pulled this together, but the staff is to be commended. And Andy, I don't know if you're still here, but Andy Pope, your people done good. So have safe travels home, and I look forward to working with you some more on these issues. We ain't done, we're just getting the beginning of the end maybe, or the end of the beginning, I don't know what it is, but I'm looking forward to seeing more of you and seeing us do more to protect our people, our families, and our communities. Thanks.